Imagine a world where every click, every view, every engagement on your content earns you money. That world exists, and it's called affiliate marketing. It's a vibrant arena where you can create a stream of passive income just by promoting other people's products. You don't need a fancy degree or a pile of startup capital. All you need is an internet connection, a dash of dedication, and a sprinkle of savvy. In this digital age, affiliate marketing has grown into a billion-dollar industry. It's a bustling marketplace teeming with opportunities for the innovative and the industrious. But let's be clear, affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate business model that requires strategy, commitment, and a keen understanding of your audience. But when done right, the rewards can be impressive. So are you ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing? Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of this powerful earning tool. Now that you know what affiliate marketing is, let's break down how it works. Think of affiliate marketing as a three-step dance. The first step, signing up for an affiliate program, is like learning the rhythm. There are countless affiliate programs out there, each with its own unique beat. Choose one that resonates with you and aligns with your platform. This could be anything from a blog to a YouTube channel or even a podcast. Once you've signed up, you're ready for step 2, promoting the product. This is where your creativity comes into play. It's like choreographing your own dance routine. You'll use your platform to showcase the product in a way that appeals to your audience. This could be through a product review, a tutorial, or even a simple mention in a post. The key here is authenticity. Your audience trusts you, and it's important to maintain that trust by promoting products you genuinely believe in. Now for the final step, earning a commission. This is the applause at the end of your performance. Every time someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. This is how you monetize your platform through affiliate marketing. But here's the thing. It's not just about the money. It's about the freedom to work on your own terms, the satisfaction of building something of your own, and the thrill of seeing your efforts pay off. So there you have it, the three-step dance of affiliate marketing. Sign up for an affiliate program, promote the product on your platform, and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's as simple as that. But remember, just like in any dance, the devil is in the details. Each step requires careful thought and planning. It requires understanding your audience, choosing the right product to promote, and finding creative ways to showcase that product. It's as simple as that. Sign up, promote, and earn. But remember, the devil is in the details. So, you're ready to jump into the world of affiliate marketing, but where do you start? Here's a roadmap for success. First, choose the right product, something you're passionate about, something you believe in. This authenticity will shine through in your marketing and engage your audience on a deeper level. Next, understand your target audience. What are their needs, their desires, their pain points? Use this information to shape your marketing strategy. Tailor your content to address these needs and desires, offering solutions in the form of your affiliate product. Finally, deliver valuable content. This isn't just about making a sale, it's about building trust, establishing credibility. Offer insights, provide useful information, engage in meaningful conversation. Your audience will come to view you as a trusted source, and they'll be more likely to purchase the product you're promoting. With the right approach, affiliate marketing can be a profitable and fulfilling venture. The world of affiliate marketing awaits you. You've seen the potential, you've grasped the basics, and you've learned how to make it work for you. Now, it's time to take action. It's time to step into a world where you're in control of your income, where you can earn while you sleep. It's time to embrace the opportunity that's right in front of you. The first step is always the hardest, but remember, every successful affiliate marketer started exactly where you are right now. They faced the same fears, the same uncertainties, but they took the plunge, they took that first step. Affiliate marketing is a journey, not a destination. It's a process of learning, adapting, and growing. But you'll never start that journey if you don't take that first step. So what are you waiting for? Start your affiliate marketing journey today and unlock your potential to earn passive income. Remember, the road to success is always under construction.